Hi, it's SA. Today we'll start with edit profile for walls. If we have this wall and we want to make any opening at it, the outline of this wall, we can select the wall, and now we have in the pop bar modify wall or option for this wall. We have here edit profile. If we press it, it will bring the outline of this wall. Now we can edit the outline of the wall by adding new line and make trim. Press apply. It will be like this. We can also make edit profile, fillet, and add to make unjoin. The unjoin is from this wall and this wall, it joined to its other, and this new opening will remove this join at this area, so it have error and I have to apply it. I can select the other wall and go to edit profile. It will show the how to make the edit profile. I can select edit profile and make fillet and make same arc here and place apply and unjoin. It will be something like this. I can select wall and make edit profile and make circle opening like this. It will be like this. If I open shadow, it will be like this. I can also edit this wall, edit profile, and make opening like this and copy it. And press apply and join. It will be like something like this. I can add and remove. I can edit and add. If I remove shadow, this is the wall outline. I can add something out this outline. I can make something like this. It will be something like this. This is one wall. I can also select the wall and make reset profile. It will be like this. I can make trim, select this wall and this wall. It will be like this. I can also make organic opening by select the wall, edit profile, and we can remove the shadow, make something like this and circular. I have to make one segment outline. I have to remove any inner lines by select trim and select this and this. Sorry. And press apply. It will be something like this. But you have to use edit profile very low at your project. Let's make too much errors. You have to make it to use it very low. We have also other way to make opening at walls. Go to ribbon bar architecture tab, opening. Now we have opening by face and shaft and wall opening, vertical opening, dormer. We can use wall opening. It will show you how to use it. We can select the wall. Told me to select the wall, which I will change. I can select this wall and start to draw the outline of my opening. It will be like this. I can make more than one. I can edit it by go to it and select it. It will have top offset and base offset from nearest level. I can make it 0 and 2 meter line. It will be like this. I can select now it's 2 meter. This is a very good way to make opening, and it's okay to use it at your project. We have also the wall profile. If I want to see the profile for the wall, I can select the wall and go to type properties for this wall and go to structure. Now I have at the bottom preview button. I can press it. It will show the plan of the wall. I can select other view from here. I can select section. Now I have the profile for the wall. The profile for the wall, I can edit it by adding sweeps and reveals, and this will the next video. I hope it's simple and easy, and see you next video. Thanks. Bye.